Hey, welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Joe's. Today, we're going to be pickling some wild garlic, wild leeks, or ramps, whatever you want to call them. We went out in the bush yesterday on our buddy's farm, and we picked up a whole bunch. They're beautiful. They basically remind me of a very mild tasting onion. They're really good, but they do pack a lot of garlic in there. So these come out only in the springtime, and you don't have much of a window to go pick them up. So you have to know when they're going to be available and you go pick them up. We cleaned them, now we're going to pickle them. I'm going to show you our pickled brine, and once we get our pickled brine and the rants or wild garlic or wild leeks in the jars, we're going to can them. So let's get it started. We're collecting some wild garlic this morning. I think I said that before, but we're saying it again. This is how we do it. We're going to be collecting some all morning. Look at that stuff. Nice. That's nice. There you go. This is what it looks like. Nice.
Lots.
Beautiful, lots. We're going to be collecting it all morning, and once we finish collecting, we're going to have to clean them up and pickle them. There's lots. Our buddy's farm is fruitful this year.
We're gonna leave some for next generation.
That's right, next generation.
Oh, fuck.
The different breed of cats. We got a. Oh, okay.
Broken excavator. Whoop. No good no more.
No one do no more.
No. Fini. Fini.
Yeah, me too. Alright, so we'll keep collecting and we'll be back when we clean them up. So we got our batch of wild garlic here back at home. Now it's time to clean them up. There you go. Lots of nice stuff in here. Perfect. So, put some gloves on. And I have the water hose here. I'm going to spray them and try to clean them up. To get myself something to put them in. All I want to do right now is get all the majority of the dirt off. And we're going to be cutting all the stems and the leaves right after. Lots to do. Let's get it going. Nice stuff. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, that's about it. Now we're going to take the leaves off and the roots out. So we'll go dump this and get back to cleaning these. Okay, so now we're going to clean the roots. Not clean them, cut them off and cut the leaves about right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. This is a small one. Let's get that going. What's left. So we got a whole bunch of them to do. We'll do a few. I won't keep you guys here for the whole thing because you'll probably get bored. I don't blame you.
but a long job, but well worth the effort. So we got them all done. This is what we ended up with. Still have some work to do. We're gonna run them through cold water and clean them all up. Then we're gonna start pickling them. So let's get those cleaned up and pickled.
All right, let's get our pickled brine going. So we have 3 cups of white sugar. Just on a note, we have 2 1/4 pounds of rants or wild garlic. Got a 1/2 cup of salt. We got 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, 1 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 4 cups of vinegar, 3 cups of water. I'll mix this up real quick. And let's get our hot plate going here. So we're going to boil this until it boils, of course, and the sugar is all the sugar and the salt is all dissolved. Now that we got it boiling, we're just going to reduce the heat, let it simmer for a bit while we prepare our ramps in the mason jars. We got our ramps here, and we're gonna start filling our jars. Want to leave about close to 1 inch edge space. Let's bring in our hot pickle juice, and let's start filling these jars. Now I know the mustard seeds are the ones that are a little tough to try and separate equally, but we're going to give it our best shot. All right, now way too much brine. So I'll figure out how much too much I got, and I'll write it down in the recipe in the description below. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 milliliters jars, and 2 250 milliliters. So we're going to let that in the fridge for about, well, let them can there, but then once they're cool enough, we're going to put them in the fridge for about 2 weeks before we open one jar. We crack one up, and have the taste test. So that's it for now. I'll see you in a couple weeks. Well, it's been 2 weeks. So I said we're gonna taste it in 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks exactly. We're outside, it's a beautiful day. And I think this is a perfect opportunity to taste these little morsels. Let's open one up. Let's crack one up. Crack one up open, or crack open, or whatever. Let's do that. I'm gonna grab one of those. Come on. Crunchy, tasty, freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome. Wow, I love it. This is beautiful. Really, really good. I'm telling you, I got to taste another one. Don't mind me for a bit. Oh wow. This is pure joy. Listen, you like this one? Give us a thumbs up. Try this. I mean, go out, pick some wild leeks, some wild garlic, or whatever you want to call them, rants. Just go out and pick some up. Let me put a jar here. Let me jar there. All right. And do this pickled brine. You know what? I even do this pickled brine with some scallions. When you take it, we plant some in the garden, and when they're just about the same size as that, we take them out, we cut them up, we pack them in this pickled brine, and it's amazing. It's good to serve with any meal. Why? You like I said, you like this one, give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe, click on the bell. You'll be notified when we put out new videos. You know, we'd love to hear what you think about these, and so do, you know, go ahead. Comment in the comment section below. Tell us what you think. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to keep doing this. All right, we'll catch you in the next episode next Tuesday.